Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a fish in a fishbowl. So let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to make two lines that are parallel to each other. Parallel just means that the space between them is equal. After you make those two lines, then we're going to close them up with a backwards letter C and a forwards letter C. That's going to be the rim of our fishbowl. Now we're going to actually make the fishbowl right here, and it's going to be a big, round, upside down, sideways letter C. After we do that, let's put our fishbowl on a table. So this is the table that our fishbowl is going to go on. Let's make it so it has a little bit of wood, because there are some tables that are made out of wood. And then let's go back up to our fishbowl. Let's put a fish into our fishbowl. Before we do that, let's put a little bit of sand in the bottom. You can even put a few little dots there to represent the sand. And then right here, let's put our fish. So the way that I make a fish might be different than the way you make a fish. I like my fish to be very simple. So I make a straight line for his tail, the back of his tail. Then I come down and I come around and I make a shape that looks like this. It can get a little bit tricky, so you might need to practice it. So again, make a straight line, then you come down with a curved line, you come back up, you come around, get a little bit skinny, and then you close up at the tail. I like to put a couple of lines here for a little bit of detail. And then I like to make a really big eye for my fish, a giant eye. I like to give him a fin so he can swim around, and maybe even a fin on the top. And then for his mouth, sometimes I make a smile for his mouth, but what I really like to do is make some fish lips, just like that. If you'd like to add some decoration to your fish, like some squiggly lines or some swirls or some dots, that's always a good idea. You can even down here make some little toys for your fish to play with, or some areas that your fish can go in and out of. Up here in the background, it would also be a really good idea if you'd like to put some decorations or some detail. I'm going to leave that up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you next time. Bye.